Let us check the International Airtime and Data recharge process. Should we use the shortcut or the one under the menu? Let us use the shortcut. Select country. We will perform the transaction under Nigeria, but let us first try the United Kingdom. Choose the desired product type. Choose the operator for the transaction. When you select a country operator, the equivalent amount in Naira is automatically displayed in the form's amount bar. Fill in the necessary details and click Proceed. For family and friends outside Nigeria, you can always recharge for them. Let us try another country, such as Cyprus. The process remains the same. You can enter a flexible amount based on your preference. Let us now try Canada. The process follows the same steps. Finally, let us select Nigeria again. Complete the form, and press Proceed. Once the transaction is complete, you can view the receipt details.